Hi everyone and welcome back to Moonbelle Soaps. Today I am doing a Beetlejuice inspired soap. I'm working with 5 different layers, so I've split off my lye water solution and oils into 10 different containers. Then I'm just going to start with working with one layer, and I'll be alternating with black and white colours. So black oxide and titanium dioxide. Then I'll at the end add some slime on top, and the fragrance that I'm using is Lord of Misruling, and it has notes of patchouli, creamy vanilla, and a dash of pepper, and it smells really good. Strange because it's not something I'm used to, but yeah, really nice. So I'm gonna pour this in and then stick blend to a light trace. Okay, so now I'm just going to add in my black oxide. I'm measuring it out by teaspoons just so I get the same amount of black in every layer. And then what I'll do is I will add in the fragrance oil, which I've measured out already to the amount of oils. And I will just pour that in, and then we will stick blend, and we will then pour in our first layer. Okay, so here we go, pouring in our first layer. As you know, I'm not very great at layered soaps. I always seem to mess up the layer, so this is why I've split it into 5 different batches. This is one way to make sure that you get even layers. The secret is to wait until the soap doesn't have that sheen on the first layer. And it's a matte look instead of a wet look, and then you pour on your next layer. Hello and welcome back. It is 24 hours later and I have cut the loaf into bars, and as you can see, we've got perfectly straight layers, just as I had hoped. Today we are going to be making the slime to pour on top of the soap, and the color that I'm using is Harlequin Neon from my Micro Obsession, which you can find now at Heirloom Bath and Body Products. So what I'll do is I'll move all these soaps to the side, make up the first batch, and then we will stick blend and pour our slime on. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll move this off to the side and I will get a container just so we don't make a mess everywhere. I'll place the soaps into the container and then just grab a teaspoon and slowly pour the slime or the soap batter onto the soaps to make it have that runny kind of effect and look like slime pouring off of the soaps. And any soap makers out there watching this video, as you probably aware, as a soap maker, you're addicted to watching soap making videos just like I am. If you have a channel, please leave it down in the comments below and I'll check it out. I always enjoy seeing new soap videos from different creators, so please feel free to share down below. If you'd enjoyed the making of this video, please subscribe and hit the little bell notification for future videos. And until next time, keep clean.